All right, we're Tech5. I'm Jared.
Eric.
Gerald.
Marco.
And Chris. Alright. And for the ball shooter, we designed kind of a trebuchet type catapult thing.
This was my design here. We got pretty far with it until we had to mount the NXT motors on and there was nowhere to mount them. It worked if I held it. That's where that ended.
But we did get a good ball feeder out of it. That actually kind of worked. And the second attempt was my awesome drawing, because I'm an artist and all. I just wanted to make a catapult of some sort because it would be fun. And then we started building it, using the water as a counterweight.
So that's the order.
And then some of the problems we had were that this was a little too heavy, so it was kind of hard, so we did an NXT arm, or basically catch.
So this is just the counterweight, the negative and the positive side of the problem, the solution. Where the solution, there's a lightweight in the left side, and mostly use NXT part where we can use the Tech5 part more mostly. And it's much more easier to catch the ball because there's like a gravity where it can hold the ball there. Whether the Tech5 part, they have no hole or anything to catch the ball. It's just a string, so it can move anywhere.
And that's the final design pretty much of the catapult.
So how does this thing function? We use 3 motor for it. So the motor C, it rules the wheel there to reel the string, so the catapult hand can go down and up. Then motor B is just the ball feeder where it brings the ball down and it holds the ball and put it to the catapult and it will go back up. So it can hold the other ball. So motor A is just like the hand, the lever where it will help the catapult hand, so it will help and throw the ball there.
In our programming, first we used Y blocks. What we did first, we created each every step. So we make sure the loading side goes first with the loading motors A and C, and then the feeder itself is only in the B motor, and then releasing is A and C in reverse on the first side. I did each step to make sure it was working properly, and then once I created this whole little circuit, I condensed it to one little My block. And what I found out was if you kept adding values and saving over in your block, it would actually corrupt it, and your data will not work correctly. So every time I'll have to delete and restart it again instead of doing the whole process over and over again.
So some of the problems we had, I guess everybody probably had a lot of problems, but when it first started, it was going pretty well. We had a good idea of what we wanted to do. Then started running out of pieces. We started taking 1 step forward, 2 steps back for a couple days. Figured out what we wanted to do, and I think a lot of the problems kept coming from the programming. We would keep rewriting the files over and over again, and then they just we would test the same thing twice, and one time it would work, the next time it wouldn't. So we just kept getting messed up trying to reprogram everything, which just made it worse. So yeah, we got through everything, but took a little extra time.
Okay. Any question? Okay. Yep. Thank you.